Okay, so here we are trying to finish up problem number 5 on purchasing a new car. We already did option 1. Let me crank it out again really quick. So option 1 says 2,000. A price is $22,874, $2,000 rebate. So the first option is $2,000 rebate. And then just pay 6% for 60 months from there. And so, all right, so 22, what is it? 22,874 minus $2,000 rebate. So $2,000 rebate, that's the price of the car. Okay, so if that's the price of the car in option 1, then you can just do present value. Present value is P1 minus 1 plus R over N to the minus NT over R over N. Okay, so present value equals that. So what would be the present value in this option? It's the price, right? Because they gave us a $2,000 rebate. So option 1 says $2,000 rebate up front, right in the beginning. They just give you $2,000 off the price. So the new price becomes $20,874. So that's the present value. That's the loan amount. Present value means the loan amount. So that's the loan. $20,874 is P times 1 minus 1 plus R. The interest rate is 6% monthly, right, isn't it? 6% monthly, 60 months. Now you got to change that to years. That's 5 years, isn't it? We got to put that in years right here. Minus 12 times 5. Watch out. So T must be in years. T must be in years. So 60 months equals 5 years. Put that in years. 0.06 over 12. There we go. Okay, so I've done several of these with you now. So I'm just going to type it out on my calculator. I get 20,874 is P times, let me see, I'm getting, this whole bracket thing becomes 51.72556075. Then you got to finish solving for P, divide by that. Oops. On both sides. And so the P comes out to be, you can just use the answer button, would be even better on your, if you have an answer button on your calculator, take 20,874 divided by answer, you know, the answer you had from the last thing. And I'm getting 403.55. So that is the option 1. So 403.55. So with option 1, where they give you the $2,000 rebate up front, your monthly payment's going to be $203.55. Now we got to do option 2. So there's option 1. Option 2, it's 0% financing for the first 12 months, and then 6% for the remaining 48 months, 4 years. So let's do that. So number, 5, option 2. So option 2 is 0% first 12 months, which is 1 year, plus 6% next 48 months, 4 years. Okay. So, what's the cost of that? Well, same formula. So we're going to use present value equals P. Well, here, let me help with this. The way it's going to work, the present value, present value, let me write that again. Present value is the loan amount, the cost of the car. So the total cost of the car is going to be, well, P, remember P is our payment. Whenever we use that present value formula, both those formulas, P is the payment. So whatever the pay, we're going to make the same payment for the first year and the last 4 years. It's going to be the same payment all the way. We're just paying no interest for the first 12 months and 6% for the next 48, but it's the same exact payment all the way through. So whatever that payment is, we're going to do 12 of those payments here in these first year. 12 monthly payments. I don't know what the payment is yet. That's what I'm trying to figure out. But whatever the payment is, P, you're going to do that 12 times P during the first year. Plus, and now for the other 4 years, you're going to do the interest formula thing, which is P times 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the minus NT over R over N. So this is for the other 4 years. So for the last 4 years, so why don't we do that for the first year? Well, because there's no interest. There's 0% interest, so I'm not going to use the interest formula. There's no interest at all. It's just whatever the payment is times 12 of those, because it's 1 year, 12 months, of the same payment, 12 times P. I don't know what P is yet. It's just 12 times P. There's no interest formula there because there's no interest. But for the next 48 months, 4 years, there's 6% interest, so just do the normal interest formula. All right, so let's keep going. So this is going to equal 12P plus P times, now start plugging stuff in. The interest rate's 0.06, the N is 12, because we're doing monthly, minus 12 times. Now remember, T is in years, 4 years, T must be in years, T equals 4. All over 0.06 over 12, like that. So this is going to be 12P. Oh, and we know the other side. The other side is the price of the car. What was the price of the car? It was $22,874. So 22,000. We squeeze that in over here. 22,874 equals 12P plus P times that formula, right? Because present value, which is the price of the car, right? It's full price. Option 1, we got $2,000 rebate, $2,000 off the price, but we paid the interest for all 5 years. Option 2, we don't get anything off the price. The price, the present value of the car, is the full $22,874. We just get the first year 0%, so it's just 12 payments, no interest, and then the other 4 years, the other 48 months, we use the interest formula. Okay, so let's crank that out. What do we got here? Equals 12P plus P times, well, if you do this whole thing on your calculators, we've done several times. I'm going to crank it out right now. I'm getting that whole formula became, in the brackets there, 42 0.58031778. That's what this entire thing became that when I did it on my calculator. So now, how are we going to solve this equation for p? Well, do you remember factoring from your algebra days? Remember, like if you have, I'm sorry, not factoring, just like terms. Remember, what is like 12x plus 7x? It's 19x. You just add the numbers, right? It's just like terms. Well, that's what this is. If it bugs you, put the p in the back. It doesn't matter, right? Let me just get rid of this here. Just put the p in the back. So it's 12p and 42 point whatever p. So just add those together. 22,874 is 12p and 42. Just add 12 to that in your calculator. You get 54.58031778p. Does that make sense? Just added like terms there. Just like 12x and 7x is 19x. I added 12p and 42 whatever p. Just added the 12 right there and got 54.58 whatever p. Trying to solve for p. Want to find the payment. Trying to get p alone. So what can I do to get p alone? Got to divide by that 54.58031778. Both sides, right? 54.58031778. Cancels that out. This is gone. P's alone. Hit the buttons on your calculator. You get 419.09. You getting that? It rounds to. So that's the payment for option 2. All right, let's go back now. So 419.09. So there's the payment for option 2. So which one's a better deal? Clearly option 1, lower payment. The loan that has the rebate is the better deal. Better loan, the rebate loan. There we go.